Geeks for Geeks Technical Scripter Event. If you are a technical expert and having a passion of writing, then this video is dedicated for you. Watch this video till the end. Don't miss it out. Geeks for Geeks, it's a portal for computer science geeks and also it's useful for coding practice. You can find programming related solutions and you can read a lot of technical articles and blogs, and there are a lot of technical courses available and helpful for interview preparation. And finally, students and professions can earn money by submitting technical related articles. Now we are going to see the following details to get to know about technical scripter event. This event is mainly for technical enthusiasts who have passion to write and to articulate their learnings in a particular area, and also to showcase their technical expertise. Finally, share their technical articles worldwide to reach to the appropriate audience. Now, this event is already an ongoing event, and the final date to make your submission is January 19th, 2021. There is no eligibility criteria or entry fee as such. Anybody can take place in this event, be you are a college student or a working profession. Now we will see what topics to write on. You can choose any topics related to computer science, trending technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, etc., or any programming languages, but ensure that the topic should not be already covered in Geeks for Geeks. For more topics or area of interest, check in the video description or check in the Geeks for Geeks website link. Why you should participate? It's not only to prove your technical skills or for winning prizes, but also to get more benefits as follows. This participation will make you more expertise in a particular niche. The top 50 participants will get internship opportunities with Geek for Geeks, and the experience and exposure will be an added value to your resume for better opportunities. If you are in the top 5 contestant, then you will be rewarded with cash. Top 50 will get internship, and all the participants will get a coupon valid for all the courses and many more. Now we have come to the final stage. If you are interested, check in the Geeks for Geeks link and follow the step by step process to apply for submitting your articles. You are watching Suchi Talks 2020. If you feel this video is useful, please share, like, and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come back to my channel if you find it useful and want to hear more updates. See you in my next video. Until then, it's me Suchi signing off from you all. Bye bye.